Today, I gotta spend a lot of money. You guys see all the fun stuff. You see all the shit that I do on a daily basis when it comes to making money. But guess what? I got bills too.
I could see short-term longs on 30. I could see short-term longs. Because that wick was crazy. If I would have tried to take it, I would have went stupid.
I'm not gonna be the best at everything you wanna be. You know what I mean? I may be the best at what I wanna be and growing to be the best at what I wanna be. But you're gonna want different things. You may not wanna trade. You may not wanna create content. Here, like I said, for motivational purposes, this is what $1,800 looks like. It's not much. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to a new day in the life of an entrepreneur, trader, serial content creator. Shit, might as well call me fucking, what's that guy with all the shit, Thanos? Yeah, I'm going for Thanos. That's what I'm going for. I want to just make myself the most valuable person possible and teach you guys along the way exactly what I'm doing. So that's what we're going to do right now. On my way home, we got 30 minutes until the VIP call starts, aka 30 minutes until the New York Stock Exchange opens, meaning we got some money to make soon. Right now it's a little bit of a cold, cloudy day. It's 70 degrees, which is, some of you may be like, 70 degrees? It's hot as shit over there, especially for 9 a.m. Nah, it's usually 80s by now, like 85, sunny, warm out. My windows want to be down. It's kind of chilly. We're going into that time of the year. Going into that winter time, my boy. That winter art, and you see me with a hoodie on, and I don't have a haircut. That's part of the reason, but I'm getting a haircut later on today. So at 1 o'clock, we got a haircut. So we got a productive day ahead of us. We're going to see if we can make some money trading, get some content created, head to the gym, and just do everything we do every single day. And anything that changes, I'm going to bring you guys along for us. All right, just got back to the crib. We about to get active with the team. Let me get my... Yo, dog, how you get in here? No dogs allowed in here while I'm working. I don't trust y'all. Y'all be trying to pee on the floor thinking this shit grass. This shit is not grass. It may look like grass, but it's not fucking grass, and they don't understand that. That shit's squeaky. But we about to join the team. We about to get active. We about to see what we can do. We got approximately 6 minutes until 9:30. Oh, until 9:30, so... Let's see what we can do. Let's get some money. Let's get value. Let's do what we came here to do. I could see short-term longs on 30. Yeah, I could see short-term longs. Patience, man. It's necessary. I'm definitely bullish. I just want to see if I can get a good entry on it. Now, yeah, it's doing all this right before it. Look, we got 7 seconds to 9:30, and this shit not looking like longs right now, but we about to see. Because that wick was crazy. If I would have tried to take it, I would have went stupid. It's all good, Kia. And that was the best play for me, from what I was looking for at least. All right, we just got done with the VIP call. I didn't take no trades. So I saw a few trade ideas. I wanted the shorts on NAS 100 that I'm about to show you guys, but I missed it. So I wanted it from this gap right here. But price, I just wasn't fast enough when price came to it, and I just don't want to get in right now considering it's about to be into 11 o'clock. And as you guys know, that's where I end the day when it comes to looking for trades. I may hold a trade if I'm already in it at 11. I may hold a trade if I'm already in it past those times. But when it comes down to actually taking the trade, entering the trade, it's not happening after 11 o'clock. And that's just my rules. We have rules for a reason that keep us in the game. So with that being said, I'm about to get the rest of my day started. There's a couple people that had winning trades, a couple people when it comes to, for example, James, if you're watching this, congratulations. He just passed his funded account. When it comes to Top Step, today was the day he needed to pass. He needed $800, and he passed it. Where is it at? A couple people. Yeah, right here. He passed his challenge, but they were having a couple technical difficulties, so he wasn't able to see it. But right over here, you can see he hit his target for the challenge. He made $800, getting the $6,000 he needed for his 100K account. And then we have other people such as Ivan. He had a couple winning trades. Over here, looks like he was in longs on US 30 or NAS 100. Not sure, it doesn't show the price. We have a couple other people, like right over here, we have Marco. Marco looks like he was in longs. Also, anybody that was in longs, especially on US 30, they went crazy work. We had Kino, he was in longs. I wanted the longs, the longs never hit my entry when it came to US 30. I never got the retracement. It's gonna happen sometimes. Sometimes you have a retracement like we got on NAS 100 and you're able to get that second entry, you're able to actually get that second chance. But then there's sometimes like US 30, which is what I was watching, or you don't get a retracement at all, and it just leaves you. Sometimes it leaves without you. You just got to be okay with missing the train sometimes. When you went to school and you missed the bus, were you mad, or did you just go back home? You went back home. So yeah, same thing. I'm just good on the rest of my day. Got my clothes. I'm about to take a shower. While I'm taking a shower, I'm about to feed these dogs. I know, dogs, you're hungry. You're hungry. Let me put my clothes over here, and then we're gonna get you fed, man. Y'all hungry, right? You hungry, right? I know. Food's right over here, doggies. All right, dogs. This is where the fun begins, right? Right? Yeah, you fat dog. Y'all some bougie dogs. Especially with my girlfriend. She hates when I give them the sink water. So we only give them the water that we drink, which is Zephyr Hills, which is spring water. These some bougie dogs, man. They get that cold water, and she knows. She loves the water. Yeah, this one's yours. I know. You could probably see how happy she be when she sees that I'm getting her food. On my way to get a haircut right now. We got out the gym and everything, feeling good. It's about 12:45. It's gonna be 1 o'clock soon. My appointment is at 1, but I'm only about 5 minutes away. I'm listening to a podcast right now, King Keto, Brandon Carter. He's one of the few people that I do listen to. I wanna say on a daily basis, but I would say on a consistent basis, I would say at least every once a week, once a month, twice a month, I'm listening to Brandon Carter. And he's just someone I look up to in terms of fitness, business, stuff like that, content. You got to have people, role models you look up to. You can look up to me for trading. You can look up to me for content. But you also need to have other people, because I'm not going to be the best at everything you want to be. You know what I mean? I may be the best at what I want to be and growing to be the best at what I want to be. But you're going to want different things. You may not want to trade. You may not want to create content. But guess what? The concepts and the traits that you need to build for yourself to be that person, to get to those goals regardless of the industry, is still going to matter. Like in the podcast, he was talking about how he quoted, I think it was Sigmund Freud, but essentially we're moving towards pleasure or pain. And that's what we're always doing. No matter what, any decision, anything that we have to think about, we're either moving towards or away from pleasure or pain. And we got to figure out what is it that we're doing that. So are we moving towards pleasure? If we're moving towards pleasure, more than likely is not going to be giving us a positive result. We got to be going towards the things that more or less give us pain, because they may not feel good in the temporary, but they're going to benefit us long term. And it's very key. Think about any of your vices. Think about any of your bad habits. Are you moving towards pleasure or towards pain? It's all perceived value. The things that you perceive as pleasure or perceive as pain. You know what I mean? It's all in the head. Your psychology is key. And that's why I stress so much on the mindset, on the mental sides of trading, because the charts and stuff is cool. Trust me, I love the charts. I love the candlesticks. But that shit's not going to make you a successful trader. That shit's not going to put money in your pocket. You need it. It's a part of the equation that you need to put money into your pocket, but it's not everything. It's a very small percentage. And most people don't understand that. They just want to see charts. They just want to see money. They want to see withdrawals. No. Do you know what's really going to make you a successful trader? Seeing that I'm going through a fucking losing streak right now. And I'm not over trading. I'm not over risking. I'm focusing. I'm staying busy. I'm still posting every day on YouTube. I'm still going to the gym every day. I'm still showing up to trade, even though I'm having L's. Today was no trade day, so I wouldn't consider today an L day, but the days before this. You get what I'm saying? That's what's going to make you a good trader. And listen, for the people that understand it, you know. If you know, you know. You know the value that you get, and you know what you got to do. For the people that just want to see charts, money, what are you moving towards? Pleasure or pain? Ask yourself that. Enough. I moved there. I never had like a damn. You know what I mean? I feel like I've traveled around in Miami and stuff, that once I've been there, it was kind of like, it feels good that it's mine, but it's not nothing like I've never seen before you. But waking up there every morning, it's like, damn, because all my content and stuff changes. The first day that I moved there, I had the day trading video.
I seen that, it went crazy.
Yeah, that one's doing pretty good. Like, this day trading got me a penthouse, so 3 weeks ago I moved in.
Yeah, 2 weeks ago.
3 weeks ago, already, almost a month.
But you probably wouldn't want this one.
What?
New Lardo.
Bro, now me a 2014, 2013. You gonna give me a 2009 Gallardo.
This is slow, bro.
Look like I got a kit on it though. It do look like I got a kit.
No, look at this one. This is 2004. Still
That's like something I would see like from a DJ Khaled music video. All right, we got the cut and everything. Got the fresh boys. Now I gotta go into a few different things right now, cause today I gotta spend a lot of money. You guys see all the fun stuff. You see all the shit that I do on a daily basis when it comes to making money, creating content. But guess what? I got bills too. I gotta pay shit off too. So all the things I gotta pay off today, I gotta pay my car insurance for one. That's one thing I gotta pay. Two, I gotta pay off my other apartment because I gotta finish off that. And once I'm done with all those payments, well, not even payments. Once I'm finished with this last payment, I'm done with the apartment. I got about, today is 16th. I have until the 19th. That's the last day for the lease when it comes to the apartment. So I'm gonna have to get everything paid for and out of there by then. So those are the two things I gotta pay for as of right now. And then after that, what else do I gotta pay for? I gotta pay some money on my car off. So that's that too. Gotta pay my car note. What else do we gotta pay today? Besides that, I also got a haircut. That was another 50 bucks right there. So yeah, I'm gonna start adding everything up. So right now we're at about like $50 for the day in total spending. I'm gonna get you guys next when it comes to what I'm gonna buy next, but I gotta call the apartment. So yeah, see you when I spend money next, man. All right, we got our first batch. Oh shit, I fucked it up. All right, so yeah. So I got $18.35 right here. This is the money I gotta pay off for the apartment. So look at the money. Here, for motivational purpose only, I've promised. I told him to give me as much hundreds as possible, and bro did this to me. All right. All this money gonna be gone anyway. I might as well throw this in the fucking trash. Might as well give this to charity. But here, like I said, for motivational purposes, this is what $1,800 looks like. It's not much. I wanted it in hundreds, so it would have been smaller, but hey, guess we got a wad of cash. But now I gotta go take this to pay it off at the apartment. So yeah, from there, yeah, now add this $18.35 to the $50. Right now it's weird being able to vlog like outside because I don't live here no more, so I really don't care that you guys know where the apartment is. So yeah, but apparently I have until the 29th though. Crazily enough, I have until the 29th and not the 19th here. But yeah, I just paid everything off. Let me get in this apartment real quick. So I'm inside and you can see it's dirty as shit in here. But I actually have another thing that I got to pay for. So if I move this over here, show you guys in here. I still got to pay for these. So I had the option to either do $50 a month with this, or if not $50 a month, I could pay $600 in total. So I got to pay $600 for this now that we're moving out. So that's going to add it to the fee. You can add, I'm going to add it to the calculations right here, but I'll probably just show you me paying for it in the car or something because I got to get out of here. Gonna grab a few things such as these bottles, even though I don't drink, but this is like just decoration in my opinion. And then yeah, and then I'm gonna get up out of here. I do gotta take this TV also. I don't know, I'm gonna try to get a few things, but I also gotta go get my girlfriend, so yeah, let me just get through this. So after taxes and everything is gonna be $674. Add that to the list, man, add it to the list.
That, bro. And it's, I literally just posted these two today. But like,
not bad.
Yeah, like.
How many followers it got?
I'm sorry?
How many followers that page got? Because that was 1,200 views.
This one has 1,300, bro. 1,300.
Yeah, that's a pretty good amount of. That's for reels. That's not bad because there's certain reels of mine that get that much. Here, you got it. You got it. Requested by you.
Go make sure to subscribe to my boy Andre. Fire ass advice, bro. Any traders upcoming, whether you're an entrepreneur or literally just anything, bro. Just make sure to go check out my boy. Subscribe right now, man.
Nah, that's what I like to hear, bro. I appreciate it. Back in the crib as y'all saw, but we about to go get some food. Hungry as shit. Look at that sun. I feel like my dog staring into the sun, but great lighting. And we got the haircut. Come on now. The next cut, look again, cage. The next cut, I'm gonna have Steph come over here. He's probably gonna cut me and my cousin, but we're gonna make some great content. This is gonna be a good spot because this angle right here is exactly where we'll cut it. We'll have it just like that. It's gonna be a great backdrop. But that's gonna be the next haircut. This one was last minute. I just needed to cut, to be honest, but let's go get some food. Just got back. Got some Chick-fil-A. I ate most of it, but I got some mac and cheese in there. That shit's still broken, but look at this view, man. Sun going down. It's beautiful. Just as beautiful as that G-Wagon. But this view, man, this is shit, man. I love it. It's like pink outside. This spot, amazing spot over here. Great view. Mad traffic over there on the highway, but hold on, let me get this on. There we go. Got the purple. Got the TV over here now that we got from the other crib earlier. Come on now, we got purple everywhere. Purple galore. I guess you can see that I like purple. I even got the purple inside the car. Is it too much purple? Nah, I think this right here is more than enough, but nothing more than this. This is everything I say. And if I didn't get the TV, I wouldn't add it anymore. When we get a new TV, we're gonna add the same thing on the back of the new TV if we get it mounted. But as of right now, it's chilling. But this view is hitting. View is hitting. All right, back over here. On to the next part of the spending for the day. First was the apartment. Second, the washer and dryer. Third, car note. So now let's go to Mercedes. Yeah, make money, gotta spend money, man. Make money, gotta spend money. And just like that, you can add this to the, wherever I have the money, maybe somewhere over here. I don't know where I'm gonna edit it on later, but there we go. Add that to the list of monies for the day. So yeah, am I gonna spend anything else today? As of right now, no. I think. But so far, I think this is where we're at for the day. Not bad. What you think? What a day so far. What a day. It's only 7:24. I don't know if we're gonna get more food tonight. That's probably gonna go in. I'm not gonna add none of the food. I didn't even add the Chick-fil-A to the checklist. This is just such a small amount, it doesn't even matter. I did say I don't know if I was gonna spend more money, and I forgot I gotta pay my car insurance. So yeah, gotta add that to the checklist also. I'm not sure what it's at now. It's probably like 33, 35, somewhere around there. Yeah, but I wasn't gonna count that though. I was gonna add that in there. But besides that, I think that's everything for the day. Right now, we gotta go somewhere, and then I gotta finish editing this video. I got majority of it edited. The one thing I'm gonna give you guys a little tip for all the game when it comes to the content creation, either try to get on that 101 or get the content to course program. Check that out, but I'll give you guys some free game. When it comes to content, when it comes to anything, just stay ahead of the game. Just with a vlog, if you're gonna try to vlog your day, edit the vlog as your day goes on so that by the time it's 10 o'clock right now, I don't gotta come back and immediately try to edit the full entire 25, 30 minutes of content I have and then edit it down into the 15-minute vlog. Edit as you go. It's way easier. More times than less, you're more creative with it, because when you have an idea for a scene or you have an idea for anything, essentially, when it comes to like your recording, then you're able to just make it happen instantly. You just want to take advantage of that motivation, take advantage of that momentum. And it's easier, because right now I only got maybe about 15 minutes, 10 minutes of editing left after this clip and everything. So yeah, not bad at all, not bad at all. But I guess you can see where this is going. I'm gonna be ending the video off. This is gonna be the last final clip. If you wanna learn how to trade, free trading concepts, everything's in the description. Everything is all in the same link. You wanna learn how to trade, you wanna learn how to create content for free, paid, everything. So it's all in the same link. Just go to the description. You go click on that. So with that being said, y'all stay safe, have a great night, have a productive day tomorrow, and I'm gonna see you in the morning.